Before you buy Sales Navigator, there's one thing you need to do first. Optimize your LinkedIn profile. A lot of people buy Sales Navigator, start reaching out, and then wonder why nobody replies. And the fact is, it's not a Sales Navigator problem, it's your profile problem. I've already created a full video on how to optimize your LinkedIn profile. So if you haven't watched that already, I would suggest pause this video, watch that one, and come back to this later. Once your profile is optimized, then it makes sense to invest in Sales Navigator. Here's a quick tip. If you know someone who already has a Sales Navigator account, they can actually refer you and you can get 2 months of Sales Navigator for free. I personally don't have a Sales Navigator account. This is my husband's account, Paul, and he has a Navigator account. I'm going to show you how someone else can refer you. In this case, Paul is referring me for 2 months. All right. So I'm going to go to Sales Navigator. Paul, this is Paul's Sales Navigator. All right. So the person who's referring you will have to do that. Click on Paul's profile, click on referrals, and here he can either generate a referral link, copy and give it to you on WhatsApp or LinkedIn DM, or he could just search for your name. Okay. So he just referred me like 10 minutes ago. I did this. And you see here, it's pending at my end. Now I'm going to show you what I got from him. So this is what I got from Paul in my DM. Okay. It says that the link is going to expire in 30 days. I click on this and it says redeem offer. It's zero for the first 2 months and then it's 120 euros a month. I click on redeem offer. And now I'll enter my details, my credit card details, and then I can activate 2 months for free. So once you are in Navigator, you basically have two options, lead filters and account filters. Account filters lets you build a list of companies. Lead filters, which mostly people use, helps you build a list of people whom you can reach out to. All right. So for this demo's sake, I'm going to click on lead filters. These are all the filters you get. Now you don't have to use all of them. I don't use all of them. So let me show you what I use and I get great results. Okay. So usually I go with the company headcount. So I want to get in touch with people, with companies where the employee size is between 200 to 1000. All right. It's very important to add the designation. Whom do you want to get in touch with? So I want to get in touch with head of sales, and you can enter as many designations you want. I'm just going to enter two for this demo's sake. And then geography is also very important. Let's get in touch with people in North America. Okay. And industry is also very important. So I want to get in touch with technology industry. You can enter more than one. Let me also enter marketing. All right. So once you've built your lead list, the next step is actually reaching out consistently. And this is where Bear Connect comes in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this link, put this link on Bear Connect. Bear Connect is going to find all those 900 plus people, put them at one place so that we can send connection requests and messages automatically, saving you hours each week. Just remember, Sales Navigator helps you find leads. It does not send connection requests and messages automatically for you. If you're serious about LinkedIn growth, optimize your LinkedIn profile first. Use Navigator, Sales Navigator to find the right leads and then use automation to stay consistent. You can try Bear Connect for free for 7 days. The link is in the description below. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.